not doing tutorials on how to make these, it's not that hard. You can you've just got to look up how to take one to bits, work out your wires, and use a bit of common sense. Anyway, these are all the different bits I've made for the for this Xbox PC. This is just got an RGB LED inside it. Just a bit of fun thing. A standard USB socket plugging into a standard Xbox socket. Looks a lot better in real life. LEDs just don't come out on video very well. So that's that one. I've seen the light. Not going to plug that one in again. I've seen the Windows Media Player receiver fitted inside the original Xbox DVD player. That's that one. This was one of the first ones I made. Didn't like it, to be honest. So which is why I made these on leads. These look a lot better. So, and then the last one is the I suppose you could use it for charging phones. It's actually to charge the keyboard. But, so again, it's not doing much. So just put a little LED inside it. So that's it. Torch light. 2 leads, 1 Stumpy adapter, DVD, Windows 7 is actually Windows 7 remote control inside that one, and then there's the keyboard stroke phone charger.